Hi friends, welcome to my Asad review channel, LearnX. Exploit the emerging e-learning business with a click. First to market AI app creates self-managed academy sites and pre-fill it with tons of unique AI-generated courses. Finally, let AI build you a passive income stream without doing any work. Launch today. Get access to AI Course Creator, 500 plus ready-made courses, Udemy-style website, auto chatbots, built-in traffic, and certificates creator all within a user-friendly app. Tap into a $300 billion industry with just 3 steps. Let AI create hundreds of courses for you. AI finds the best profitable niche ideas for you. AI creates your website too. No tech setup whatsoever. Access 500 plus done for you smoking hot courses. Even traffic is done for you, without spending a dime. Accept payment in your favorite payment processor. No complicated setup, get up and running in 2 minutes. Build your list and earn affiliate commissions. AI chatbots that will handle all customer support. Impress your students with certificates upon course completion. So easy, anyone can do it, zero upfront cost. Cancel all your costly subscriptions. Benefit from a 30-day money-back guarantee. Free commercial license included, that's priceless. All it takes is 3 fail-proof steps. Start your e-learning empire today. Step 1. Login. Click on any of the button below to get instant access to LearnX. Step 2. Deploy. Just select any niche you want and let AI create your Udemy-like website in 30 seconds or less. Pre-filled with AI courses and with DFY traffic. Step 3. Profit. Sit back and relax and let AI do the rest of the work while you enjoy the results. Friends, if you can buy this product, please check this video description. Thank you for watching my video.